How does the Power Breezer cool? It begins by smashing the water spray into micro droplets, almost a mist. This is where much of the Power Breezer's technology resides. Reliably reducing drops of water into mist does not require the use of meshes, screens, or nozzles. These often clog or cake, reducing the flow and causing floor puddles. Power Breezer uses proprietary high-speed rotating plates, creating an industrial-grade water vaporizing mechanism. The basic physics is: water is sprayed on the back of the plate. Rotation speed and the plate wave-like contours determine the breakup of the water into finer and finer ligaments that end up crushing on the edge of the plate and turning into mist. The mist is forced into the high-speed airstream, colliding with it, creating water vapor. The water vapor molecules then break up. The energy required to break up the molecules is heat being removed from the air. This is the identical principle of how oceans and waterfalls cool the surrounding environment. Adopting the oldest, safest, and most efficient cooling mechanism created by nature, Power Breezer maintains the highest environmental standards. Since it is all physics, it can be expressed in a mathematical formula where British thermal units, or BTU, is a measurement of heat energy. Heat in the formula is expressed in BTU and equated to Power Breezer water evaporation at the rate of 5 gallons per hour multiplied by 8,775 BTU per gallon, totaling 43,875 BTU. How much are 43,875 BTUs? This is equivalent of a typical AC unit required to cool a 2,000 square foot home. Power Breezers not only cool where no one else can, but are also green and efficient.